So in the morning we studied about quadrilaterals, okay? Which quadrilateral did we study about? Nupur?
Squares.
Squares. What did we study about squares? Can anyone summarize the lesson for me? What all did we study about squares? Rahul?
About diagonals.
About? Diagonals. There's a G there, right? So G sound. About diagonals. Okay. What about diagonals? What about diagonals? Utkarsh?
All of them are congruent to each other.
Okay. Are they all or are they both?
Both.
Both, right? Both of them are congruent to each other. What else? Om?
We learn about properties of squares.
Right. We learned about the properties of the square, and that thing about diagonal is one property. Yes?
Means how they bisect each other.
How they bisect each other, right? I love that Ayush is using a bigger word, bisect. In order to analyze these properties in detail, okay, we will need to know if-then statements. Have you ever heard an if-then statement? Can anyone guess what if-then statements are? Okay, let me give an example. If the community people tear Supriya's poster, then Supriya is gonna make a new poster. Okay, what do you understand from this statement? Utkarsh?
What we will do after that?
What we do after that, right? So in this case, okay, can you find events? Tearing of posters, right? It is an event. Very good. Another event? Ketan?
We'll make the poster again.
Making of the poster again, right? So tearing the poster, right, and making the poster again. So we have two events, right? So we are going to start by defining these events, by giving variables to these events. Okay? So how about I call this event community people tearing the poster as event A, and the next event, which is Supriya, will make the poster again as B. Right? Now I'm going to write something on board. You tell me if it is same as what is written here. Okay? If it is same as what is written here. Is it same?
Yes.
How? Harshada.
It is same because we said that community people tear Supriya's poster will be A. So in that statement also, if A means that we just make it little short there, so that is A. Then we say that if Supriya will make the poster, then we say that will be the B. So we write like B.
Exactly. Can you try a statement with diagonals? You know, 8th grade. Can you try something with diagonals? Utkarsh?
With diagonals, if Mr. X draws a diagonals,
Draws a square.
draws a square, then all diagonals are equal.
Then both the diagonals are equal. Both. Two diagonals. Okay? So if Mr. X draws a square, then both the diagonals are going to be equal or congruent. Right? Okay. I'm just going to summarize what we have learned so far about the statements, about the if-then statements. Then we are going to see how we can apply this knowledge, okay, to what we did earlier. Okay? Okay, how about you telling me? From if A, then B, we can't infer what? We can't infer what? We can't infer what, Harshada?
If B then A.
Exactly. From if A then B, we cannot infer if B then A. But we can infer, silent hands. We can infer what? Silent hands. We can infer, a new hand, please. Please. We can infer. We can infer. Try. No. Thanks for raising your hand, but I'm going to ask you again. Ayush? Savita?
If not A, then not.
If
Not B, then not A.
If not B, then not A. Now, if you remember, in the beginning, when we started with this class, okay, we created a statement out of this. The statement was, if say Prajwal draws a square, if say Prajwal draws a square, then the diagonals, okay, the diagonals of the square are going to bisect each other. If in a quadrilateral the diagonals are bisecting each other, it is a square. Okay? Savita, why?
We can't be sure.
Exactly. We can't be sure about this because this is exactly this. Right? I have just interchanged the positions of the events. Okay? What I'm asking you is कि if in a quadrilateral, अगर आप एक quadrilateral लो, right? If you have a quadrilateral and in that quadrilateral you see that diagonals are not bisecting each other. वो आपस में bisect कर ही नहीं रहे. Okay? Can you tell if it is a square or if it is not a square? Prajwal, how?
It's not a square because in square we know that in square all.
Okay, can you give the answer from logic, from these statements? From these statements, Shruti?
If not B, then not A.
Exactly, if not B, then not A. अगर जो B ही नहीं हुआ, B क्या था? Diagonals bisecting each other. If B has not happened, if diagonals are not bisecting each other, then not A. अगर B नहीं हुआ है तो A भी नहीं होगा, right? And not A means what? Not A means what? It is not a square, right? Okay, so whenever we see if-then statements, okay, these things need to come to our mind, right? They will make our work a lot easier, right? It follows from logic, okay, and applying logic just makes our life simpler, okay? I know it was a little hard, okay, but if you keep revising it, okay, if you keep reading your notes, you are going to get it.